Good day, YouTube. This is just a bit of a quick comparison video between Linux Mint 20.1 on the right and 20.2 on the left. Now they are both the XFCE desktop environment, as you can see there, so let's get into it. So starting off, pretty much the bare basics with the XFCE desktop environment, nothing really different to write home about, all the same sort of apps there, which is nice enough to see. When we move on just a little bit, we'll have a look at the actual file manager as well, so we'll see what it's working with. Now this is pretty consistent with most XFCE desktop environments, the Thuner desktop environment, although you can see it has actually been modified a little bit, updated a little bit just there. So it still does the same basic thing, nothing too crazy there. If we were just to have a little bit of a look at, say, the kernel, we can see that they are actually both running off the 5.4.x kernel. The reason for this is that they are actually both based on the Ubuntu desktop environment 20.04 long-term service release, so they are working with the same backend there. So it's really just a few small front-end modifications. If we were to go just a little bit even further too, let's see what the RAM usage is like. So they both are out of the box, just loaded up really from scratch for the most part there, running on about 500 megabytes of RAM, so roughly about the same, give or take there as well. But that's pretty much it, guys. Just a super simple, quick, fun little video to show you the differences and the similarities, most of which are quite the same between Linux Mint 20.1 on the right and Linux Mint 20.2 on the left, the XFCE edition. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a comment, subscribe, hit that like button, and I do hope to see you guys there in the next one. Cheers.